Magazine article notes. A magazine article is a type of informational text. The author uses facts, descriptive details, and graphic features such as photographs to inform readers about a topic. Articles are often published in print and online magazines. The author chooses a text structure, or way of organizing ideas, that best fits the article's purpose, audience, and content. Types of text structures include chronological, presents events in time order; comparison and contrast, describes the similarities and differences between two events, people, or ideas; cause and effect, identifies effects and possible causes for each event; purpose, to inform readers about a topic, often a current event. Location, in print or online publication, with other articles appealing to the same audience. Elements, headings that divide the text into sections. Answers to questions: who, what, why, when, where, how. May include interviews and research by the author. Text structure, best fits the article's purpose, audience, and content.